Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You just cannot imagine how excited I am to start our today's video. I'm sure you will be delighted with it as well, because within the next minutes we will go through a kind of a guide how to sell in probably one of the most beneficial niche on Etsy. We jump into the theme of how to sell Canva templates and make money online that would be your passive income online. And today I will take you through how much money can you make passively from the first month selling Canva templates on the Etsy marketplace, how to find trending template ideas to start selling without investments in paid ads, step-by-step guide of what you should do to start selling Canva templates online and make passive income without big efforts. I will also share with you my golden extra tip that you can triple your sales from the start. So watch this video till the end and let's dive into it. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I have a lot of useful tips and videos for you here on how to make online businesses successful. So what is Canva and its templates? At the very beginning of the video, we need to clarify what Canva is. Surely, someone probably has never heard about this application. Well, let's get acquainted with a new opportunity to become a part of Etsy community of successful sellers. Canva means being an online graphic design application. Everything you need for starting working on it is its downloading and creating of your personal account. The first plus here is that Canva is free for its subscribers. However, when you know and test all the available opportunities of the app, you can decide to sign up for a professional version. But let's speak step by step. And if you feel frustrated just hearing graphic design application, it's all for nothing. Canva differs from Photoshop or Illustrator. You do not need to have some extra graphic skills to become a Canva user or start creating your own template. And by the way, all your templates will be yours, but not under control of the app. Amazing news, do you agree? You can create and feel free to use your templates as you wish. So, how much can you earn selling templates? You can earn pretty much just starting working in the niche. The bonus is that you can treat your Etsy shop as a hobby hustle, so you can easily combine it with 9 to 6 jobs. In this case, you have great opportunities to get a new additional way to benefit several hundreds of bucks monthly, but there could be one more possible variant where you are more serious about this business. When you mind promotion and traffic for your Etsy shop enough, when you develop your template selling business, you can make even several thousands per month just selling up your Etsy shop. This is the monthly stats my friend shared with me, so you know possible opportunities from selling Canva templates on Etsy that actually needs not so much efforts and skills as it can be supposed at the first sight. And I would like to specify one initial factor that will impact your further business development. Even before creation of a shop and start of filling in it with all necessary sections and its further promotion on the marketplace and with the help of other channels, it does not matter actually what niche you are going to sell in, templates or some other stuff. The point is that you should know trending tendencies. Analyze the market in general and your competitors in particular to get the idea what is on demand among your potential clients. However, I know easier and faster way to identify references for your further successful template selling. There is a special tool to know what is on demand now. Trends Plus tool from Seller Way analyzes the niche and similar listings to suggest the best trending ideas. Thus, you can easily use the results of the search as a kind of a mood board support for your further templates creation. To find best-selling Canva templates on Etsy, just paste a related keyword in a search bar, hit the search button, and get several pages of results. You can see items that are on great demand with a lot of daily views. Estimate the number of views for different products here. The more number of daily views a product has, the more daily sales it has. For example, it has 10 views per day. The template can be sold from 3 to 5 times a day. If we have 100 views per day, the product can be sold from 30 to 50 times a day. You can click on the picture and you will be transferred to this listing on the Etsy.com website, where you can check the latest reviews from buyers. So using SellerWay and its Trends Plus tool, you can find what designs are the most popular on Etsy and make your decision about what to sell to get the greatest benefit from selling templates on the Etsy marketplace. If you still think this niche is so saturated and it's a lot of competition inside, you are right, but partially. Just look around. More and more businesses go online using various marketplaces and social media to promote and present their services and stuff. One more moment here. Pay attention how blogging is fast growing. So niche is really full of sellers, but every day there appear new potential clients who are searching a ready set of templates in order not to waste their time for graphic design. It means that this niche will be on great demand for a long time with a constantly growing crowd of potential buyers. Moreover, you can also find your sub-niche with a lower competition rate using other tools from SellerWay website I mentioned before. Among the most useful tools are Keywords, Shop Analysis Plus, Listing Analysis Plus, Tracking Shops Plus, etc. And if you're still not sure about profitability of this niche, I prepared several reasons to demonstrate how advantageous this direction is. So perhaps the first argument will be connected with skills. Actually, professional or any outstanding skills are of no need. I have decided to start with this moment as I know that graphic design sounds so serious and a lot of people just think it's cool, but not for them because of the absence of special skills. You do not need to know how to work with vector or some similar stuff. This is really a great opportunity for everyone to make amazing templates easy and fast. Reason number 2, and here we will stop on tools of the app. I should admit you can use Canva intuitively. Super understandable and clear interface where you can choose what you need without extra efforts. There is a great number of tools inside the app. You can use different features to make your templates super creative and shine. For example, color palette can be rather helpful for you to create stylish templates easily. You need just to click shuffle and change color. Besides, it is a super easy way to create the next template. Duplicate already existed one, choose another font and color, and you have one more template with only several seconds and clicks. And finally, reason number 3, once you have created your template, you can sell it for a long time. You do not need time to make more and more copies. Moreover, instead of this, you can focus on creating of new templates to widen your range in a shop. And now it's high time to talk about your step-by-step strategy to settle templates business on Etsy. I guess you are waiting for some practical recommendation, so without further delay, we are moving on. Step number 1. The importance of templates ideas is out of the question and the key moment from the very beginning of your business way. And the secret of success is the choice of templates of that niche you are familiar with. I mean, if you are an active user of Instagram, so it makes you easier to work and create templates for Instagram posts and stories. It can also be a set of identical styles. And if you create, for example, a set of post templates, it will be easier for you to make the same set for stories, just changing dimension and other features of the already made ones. However, you can choose whatever you want. It can be in ebook, presentations, or YouTube covers. It's really easy for you to decide, as you can be successful creating any of the mentioned Canva templates. Step number 2 supposes a creation of product line. Suggest different variants for your clients. Besides, it helps you to identify what is more popular and on demand among your target audience. As I have already said previously, it's great when you create what you are aware, but it should be some range in your shop. Let it be great 3 items: social media banner, planner, and slide deck. In combination with your key product, it is no way but become on demand among your clients. Step 3. You should set up your Etsy shop. It's free and super easy to do. I have another video on this channel on how to set up your Etsy shop and start selling your products successfully. I will leave the link in the description below and here on the right top of your screen. The 4th step. When your deliverables are ready, download your templates on Etsy and add them to listings. Remember using greatly amazing listing images for your templates. Pay attention to pictures of high quality and with definitely clear message to viewers. Auspicious photos bring to even more wow effect from your templates. And final 5th step, it requires your promotion and marketing of the shop on Etsy and with the help of additional channels like social media, for example. But be flexible. If you have noticed some of your items are losing their positions, try to analyze why it is happening and what you can improve. Maybe you just need to change color to become more trending. My final recommendation, I want to ask you to create really trending items. This way you will be on the top while searching, plus you will be successful and satisfied as you will get reward and positive feedback. It's so important for a last-longing business. This is the key for no regrets, depression, and burnout. Also, take note of special holidays and occasions beforehand. As in September, you really should be ready with Halloween stuff and so on. However, you should understand that even so profitable niches require some efforts and it does not mean you will get rich overnight. Mind several months of some work on templates business, and as a result, you will have additional income of several thousands per month. As you have already understood, this niche is rather on demand. Everything you need is just methodically, step by step, fulfill the mentioned steps and create your first several CANVA templates and add them to your Etsy listing. If you stumble after your shop setting up, on the channel you can find a lot of tips how to cope with SEO issues or how to promote your shop or where to get traffic from. All recommendations are practical and time-tested, so you can try them safely. Oh guys, this video was for me just in one breath. I hope you found it helpful and interesting as well. I'm really excited to know more about your experience of templates business, or if you have some questions or maybe you're worrying or some nuances, you are welcome to the comment section below. So together we definitely find a way out and you will know that you are not alone in this sometimes severe Etsy business. Well, remember to hit the like button and click the bell to know about the next portion of useful tips for successful Etsy sales. I also recommend you to watch my other videos on this channel to know all the tips that can help you to run your business successfully. I also share my favorite Facebook groups in the description. Make sure to join them and discuss all questions related to selling on Etsy and making business online. Have a nice day and see you next time.